Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I have a very interesting, quick, easy recipe for you with a very few ingredients. This comes very handy as a snack recipe, as a filling side dish or a main dish recipe. So let's get started. Here I have half kg of chicken mince. I've taken one chicken breast and then finely chopped it. I have not used a mincer to mince it, as on the mincer sometimes chicken becomes pasty kind of. Let's season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and juice of 1 lemon. Nicely mix it and let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. So until my chicken gets marinated, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then do subscribe now. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And if you like the video, don't forget to like the recipe. And do share with your family and friends. So until you subscribe my channel, let me make my masala. Here I have taken one non-spicy chili which will add a bulk to my masala. And I have taken about 5 spicy chilies, that these you can adjust as per your requirement. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 10 cloves, about 20 to 25 peppercorns, 1 small stick of cinnamon, 1 pod of Indian garlic and 1.5 inch of ginger piece. Now grind all these ingredients together with very little water. Now into your wok goes about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Into it add 2 large onions chopped. This is about 200 grams of onion chopped. To quicken the process of frying the onions, I am adding here 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. Now this adding of salt will quickly make the onions translucent to the process of osmosis. To this add 1 large tomato finely chopped, mix it well and let it turn soft and mushy. Now to this add your ground masala. I've got about 2.5 tablespoons of the ground masala. Nicely saute the masala for about 2 minutes, stirring continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. This will make your masala, this will make it very flavorful. Now into this add your marinated chicken mince and nicely mix the mince into the masala. Now this will take about 2 minutes or so. As you are mixing it well, the chicken mince will also get nicely seared. That will lock in its juices and make it more delicious. And friends, do watch my other chicken recipes. I am giving in the link in the description below. Now lower your flame to the lowest, cover and cook it for about 3 minutes and let it cook in its own juices. After about 3 minutes, you see your mince have released some of its juices. Now to this add the masala water from the mixer and your bowl. This is about 1/4 cup of water. Now to this I am adding here a handful each of chopped French bean, capsicum, potatoes and carrots. Give a nice good mix to it. This is adding of the vegetables is totally optional, but it will make your mince a little more substantial and also make it more flavorful and healthier. To this add here half cup of water. Give it a quick stir. Now add salt to taste as required, keeping in mind that we had already marinated the chicken mince with salt and also added salt while we were frying the onions. I'm also adding here a pinch of sugar just to balance the flavor. Give a mix and cover and cook for about 7 minutes on medium flame. My mince is almost ready here. I'll just check in if my potatoes are well cooked. Do a taste test. At this stage your mince is perfectly cooked. But if you want it more or a drier consistency like the way I want it, then keep it open and stir it and cook it on high flame for about 2 minutes till your water evaporates. But if you want a little of the gravy kind of, then at this stage you turn off your flame if you want to eat it with the chapatis or so. I want it more on the drier consistency because I want to use it as a filling. If you make it a little drier, you can use it as a filling for your chicken patties or also as a filling in your samosas. I will add a handful of chopped coriander, give it a mix, cook it for half a minute. As the color of the coriander changes, turn off your flame and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And your delicious chicken mince with vegetables is ready to be relished. Do try this recipe at home and enjoy with your family and friends. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your family and friends too. Do try the recipe and leave a comment in my comment box as well. Serve it with bread, chapatis or poiee, or use it as a filling, or can be also eaten as a side dish with your pulao. But I'm going to stuff it into my poiee and give it for my children in their tiffin box. Thank you for watching. See you next week with yet another simple, delicious Goan recipe. God bless.
This is perfect to eat with a poiee. Make a pocket like this, open it up and stuff it in. It's perfect to take it for tiffin. And this can add a little more in it. And this goes into the tiffins. Perfect. Let me relish this.